How should I record income from the company into my FreshBooks? Need to record income from your company in FreshBooks? Here's how you can do it. So first, head over into the Invoices tab and then click on this new invoice button at the top right. Create an invoice. So start by creating an invoice, add your company as the client, enter the service or product, and set the amount. Once payment is received, record it under the invoice, choose the payment method and date to log the income. If you don't need an invoice, you can record income directly. Enter the company name, amount, and payment method. Connect your bank account to FreshBooks. Deposits from your company will sync automatically. Ready to categorize as income. So check the profit and loss report to confirm your company income is recorded correctly under the income category. The cleanest way to record company income in FreshBooks is through invoices and payments. Direct entries and bank syncs also work, but invoices give clear reporting.